Hello there and welcome to another devlog for my Isometric RTS game. This time I want to show the progress I made with my game menu, establishing a network connection from within the game and networking in general. First off, I'll show you the current state of the networking. As of right now, it is possible to either host a game lobby or join one. For this I created a simple connection screen. When a successful connection is made, the game lobby will be shown. Don't mind the ping displayed here, it is not measured reliably at the moment. I can assure you it is more responsive than shown. At the moment, the player can set its ready status and send chat messages back and forward, which are then displayed in the appropriate team color. Sadly, that is all the networking that is supported right now. Launching a game requires still some more work to be done. In order to get networking, I had to think of a way to keep all the units in the game in perfect sync on all the machines connected. I can't send over the position actions of every actor, object and building every frame because it would consume way too much bandwidth. There is simply too much data. So I had to find another way to sync the games. The way I do it now is the way most RTS games actually do it. I cheat. I don't sync any states at all. What I do instead is sync all player input. All actions get stored in a buffer and these buffers get synced. Commands have a timestamp and all commands are executed in windows of 200 milliseconds or 5 times each second. If not all commands make it to all the machines, the simulation will simply pause until it receives all the commands and can proceed. To make sure the simulation is in the same state on all machines, the commands are executed in exactly the same order and the simulation is only updated 10 times each second. This will keep the small frame drops from messing things up, I hope. The draw function then extrapolates the frames between the simulation events and shows them to the player. I've refactored the game to not use any floating point calculations in the command and simulation layers. Therefore, all functions should be deterministic. This means that given the same input, the same result should always be there. Therefore, there should be no need to sync every individual actor, object or building. A hidden benefit of this is that by making these alterations, my game actually got a replay recorder for free, since just playing back all the commands in order will give you exactly the same game. However, stuttering and lost commands in transit can lead to a butterfly effect that will desync the game eventually. So I have to try to find a solution for detecting that and resyncing the game state if possible. This will require some more work. Also, the refactoring is not done, so you can see actors moving back to their own square in kind of a jerking motion. That is because I haven't done those calculations by integer yet. They still try to use floating points calculations which are unavailable. So that is what I've been up to these last couple of months actually. I hope you enjoy it and I hope to see you next time.